Welcome to OEMup. From the home page, open CRM and go to the price list module. In this video, we'll learn how to create a price list and use it to set customer-specific pricing. Here you'll find all your price lists. To create a new one, click Create. Give the price list a name, for example, one for your existing customers. Now build the list by adding products. For each line, select the product group and product, then set the selling price and the minimum quantity. For larger lists, you can also import everything at once using Upload Excel a CSV, with a sample file available to guide the format. Once your rates are in, save the price list. The new price list now appears in the listing, ready to be used. To apply it, open a customer and, in the price list field, select the list you just created. Save the customer, and your custom pricing is now linked to them. Here's where it pays off. Create a new customer order and select that customer. Their linked terms and conditions are applied automatically. And as you add products to the order, OEMup automatically fills in the selling price from that customer's price list, ensuring consistent, accurate pricing with no manual lookup. The order totals are calculated instantly at your agreed rates. That's how you can create and apply a price list in OEMup.